Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix connection issues of your Marshall MID ANC headphones. So as you can see, in my case the headphones appears on available devices list, and when I try to connect with them, take a look, I'm gonna press once, and after a few moments I will get the information that they cannot communicate with my phone. As you can see, there it is. So first of all, I can recommend you to restart the Bluetooth on your phone. So simply power it off and then turn it on back after a few seconds. That's very simple and basic stuff. Next, just turn on your headphones by holding this gold button and take a look for this indicator. It's next to the micro USB port. You have to click and hold this gold button until this indicator turns white and then starts blinking blue. Okay, right now you can release that button, and we basically put them manually to the pairing mode. So right now we can simply restart, the refresh in the list of available devices, and as you can see, we can find our headphones one more time. So let's try to pair them right now. Let's see if this simple method can fix the pairing issue. Okay, as you can see, it looks like right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.